Why does your scanner show the P0545 engine code? What does it mean? P0545 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, low bank 1 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a fault in the sensor's ability to accurately measure and report exhaust gas temperature. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, wiring issues, electrical connections, short circuit, PCM issues, extreme exhaust leak. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Nissan, Ford, Mercedes, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.